come on. What is... Oh! No. I know what the big cameras... This isn't... Hello and welcome to 3411 Heaven.
Hey, Dave. Over here.
Oh. Hello and welcome to 3411 Heaven. My name is David and...
Hey, Dave?
Yep.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, got it. Hello and welcome to 3411 Heaven Media. Today is a magical day because we are beginning the start of our new series of mystery unboxings. And what that means, for me, is I am blindfolded with the magical 3411 Heaven blindfold and can see nothing. But yet, as any great unboxer would try to do, I will still attempt to unbox, explain, and review a product picked by our awesome cameraman, Jack, who will also be assisting me today by utilizing the knife to open up this box here in front of me. But before he does that, I need you to do something. And what is that I need you to do? Not put on a blindfold, but I do need you to click that subscribe button and also drop a like on this video because I know you're going to enjoy it and you're not going to want to miss out on any of our future content, especially stuff involving this blindfold. Jack, cue the knife. Oh wow, that sounds good. Now to be fair, they didn't tell me anything about this product. They just told me don't break it. So, here I will be trying not to break it. Personally, I just hope that I can actually get inside the box after he cuts it open. And voila! After much trial and tribulation, Jack, the man, has cut open the box. Oh. And now, today we will be taking a look at this product. And first off, we will begin by opening the product, which hangs by this hook here. From the hook, we can search around the box and find, ooh, some cut tape. Wow, that's a good sign. And just because I can't see doesn't mean you shouldn't be unable to see. So now you will watch as I pull this tab out of the top of the box. Now hopefully Jack was nice to me. Oh, it's only one tab. So now we can open the top box. Voila! It's just cardboard. Okay. Oh, sorry. I didn't open both tabs. Voila! Perfect. Now it's more. Voila! Awesome. And we reach inside and we find we find this thing. And this thing is great. I love this thing, whatever it is. We're gonna set that thing down over here because I sense that there's more of these things in the box. We're gonna pull it out. There we go. And just like any video, these are probably instructions, so we don't need those. And now that the box is empty, we can read the features on the back that are, this product does this great, and is great for this. Awesome. Now we will look at the features in real life by examining the product. First off, besides this piece that I pulled out, there is this piece that has a cord. And this cord can be plugged into things, and I believe it is micro USB. We're gonna go with that. Oh, it's a... Oh, okay. Okay, it's a car, so if you have a car, you have a cigarette lighter, don't use it for smoking, that hurts the lungs. But do put this in there to charge your micro USB, which isn't used on a ton of phones at this point in time. It's definitely not an iPhone charger. And this is also equipped with an extremely long cord. Wow, that's quite impressive. That happens to be about 0.5 millimeter thick in diameter. But for now, we will put this aside. Also in the box is another cord, which is I have no idea. Oh, no, it's also micro USB. Cool, 2 cords. I've got 2 cords, one for the... Anyways. Looking at the front side of the box, there's this. And this is a great piece because it allows you the convenience of doing something. But aside from that piece, there is nothing else in the box. So, with that said, let's put these pieces together, because I assume that this piece and this piece go together in some way, like this. Usually, sometimes it's a bit difficult depending on which way you look at it and whether you have the right tools or not, but if you do it properly and think to yourself, wow, I can actually do this blindfolded, you might actually be able to get it. But I have a guess as to what this is, and I believe that this charging cable must plug in somewhere into this thing, because without power it's pretty much useless and it's just not. But I can't see where any of the power things are. Am I close, Jack? Am I close? Right here?
Other side, left. Yep.
Oh, here.
Now to your right.
Okay. Oh, got it. Thanks, Jack. Perfect. Now we're in business, baby. Last thing. We have to put this somewhere on this. Alright, I have an idea of what it is. I'm pretty sure this is a wireless charger, right? For your phone. And this is a car mount. Right? Am I right?
Gonna have to wait and see.
Alright, I'm pretty... This is the suction cup. I might as well just put it on my eyeball. Stick it there. How the heck does this go on? Oh, there's a screw. That helps. Oh, no, there's this notch. Ah ha ha. Thought you fooled me, Jack. Nope. I'm at a loss, Jack. I can't do it, buddy.
I need help from your friend, Jack.
I do. What are friends for, am I right? Unless he can't do it, and that'd be pretty bad, because he doesn't have a blindfold on. Perfect. So now, we have a wireless car charger that is great for any long distance trip. All you have to do is take your phone, fling it on here, and actually, wait, my phone has a magnet on it. I have an iPhone 7, can't wirelessly charge because metal back and battery, that doesn't mix, but if I can find it down here, we can see that this is definitely... Okay, that is definitely not a magnet, so I thought it was a magnetic car charge holder, but this is... Come on. What is... Oh! No! I know what the big cameras... This is a dash cam. 100% dash cam. Final answer. Oh, yep, there's lights for LED, or what is it, infrared? Yes, so, besides your long car trips where you may or may not use this to charge your phone, if you have a micro USB, all you do is you stick this up on your windshield or anywhere else, and then you have a dash cam that's recording you against other drivers who are absolutely nuts and you know, might wreck you, but you got video proof that it wasn't your fault. You're saving the money all because you bought this dash cam from your local Walmart, Amazon, you name it. The link's in the description. You already know. And without further ado, Jack, can I take the blindfold off?
Take the blindfold off.
Yes! We were right after being terribly wrong for a couple of times. But, no, this is a dash cam. Who's it by? 1080p FHD. Ooh, night vision. I was right about that. Does it come with an SD card? Yep. I think it does. Or is that just a 16 gig? And there is a cord that can just plug into your USB in your car if you have that. My car is from 2007, so I don't have that. That's okay. For people like you and me who don't have that, we have this. And we can all be safe drivers. And this is a touch screen, I assume, right? Yeah, by Blackweb. So, if you want to go grab one of these, link in the description. But that's all for today's video. I thank you for watching. This was an experiment. Please let us know what you think in the comment section below. We want to do more things that help bring in more people to the 3411 Heaven family. And if you're not part of it, Join it by clicking that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, and also dropping a like on this video. Thanks for watching. Bird out.